but we're gonna go get her. Hey Katie, are you so excited? Jenny, are you ready? I hope Jenny's ready for her bath.
Come on. Okay. Can you get like a blanket or something so you won't get crazy?
Like, oh my gosh, I never saw this whole place in the whole house before. I'm kidding, I've been here. I'm talking about Jenny. Jenny's a good girl. Girl.
Obviously, my brother's very excited.
Okay. Raise this. Yeah. Okay. Let's see all this brown. Brown, nice brown. Okay. So we're gonna. Okay. Oh girl, isn't she nice, Katie? Oh, hey, she'll blend into the cover. Get it, brown? She'll blend in.
She's not brown. She's ginger.
Oh. Okay, you got her. I'll bring this upstairs. I'm holding it like a waiter. I don't like doing. Katie, what do we hate? What do we love? And what kind of channel do we? Whose channel do we love? That's not a channel. I'm talking about Smosh. Smosh, you guys are awesome. And also the Shay Tarts.
So, pause and do it again. Now we're just going to get her wet. So, now we're just getting her wet. And I've never done this before. This is her first time.
I think she's like, get me out of here.
No.
What do you think she's thinking?
Get the belly wet. That's right. Oh, gee. So now look at her. She's wet. You don't want to get her face.
Oh, by the way, a big thanks to Smosh for showing us how they did it to Charlie. And Charlie, I think you're really funny.
He's dead.
Oh yeah. How's Charlie dead?
Butt cancer.
Oh yeah, butt cancer. But some people are still sending.
Yeah, now we just
People were sending Charlie stuff.
Yeah. Because they don't open their mail. No. Holy shit! No,
She's acting like Charlie. She's like, oh my god.
Look at her. She looks like a lion.
Oh, this is.
Oh my god! It's back up.
Okay, I'll back up. Oh my god, is this how she runs in her cage or something?
No, she's flipping.
How old was Smosh's guinea pig?
I don't know, like, it's probably 8 years. Holy shit! She's so cute. She's 2 months and she's 6 inches. So she's very small, as you can see. She's like a rat. Don't fight me.
Hey, calm down. Well, I'm gonna go talk to Mom for a second. Hey, Mama. The guinea pig in there is kind of like the guinea pig from Smosh. Except it's like she's just like, get me out of here.
Where's the guinea pig?
Oh, we're doing it in my suit. Like,
No, you're not washing her.
No, she's not dirty, Mom.
You gotta be out of your freaking mind. You want to drown it?
No.
Why are you washing it?
Washing it.
Washing it, yeah, you shouldn't wash it. I bet it's freezing.
No, it says to give it a bath.
This is just warm.
Kitty, that's freezing cold
This
water.
is the water.
Hey, it's gonna jump out.
Stop it, Mama. You're scared.
Well, bye guys. Okay, so this is the huge fish. Charlie, Jenny. Yeah, right. Alright. So we're gonna brush her. I think she's in pain right now. Smosh, I'm so sad Charlie's down. The guinea pig. Not Charlie from those Charlie Beats Me video. No. From the Charlie the guinea pig from Smosh. And to soon, if I ever get to be friends with Smosh, well, guys, you're awesome once again. So that Charlie's gone, and by the way, you can also find my friend Grayson, his channel. I'll ask him that. I'll probably be in the next video. So we're just going to brush her, right, Katie?
Yeah, in the video you tell him what is. She's shaking like crazy. This is her first time bathing, like ever. She's been at that store. This is probably yesterday.
Bye, guys.